Hey guys, welcome to Codecast. So today we are going to learn about easings in prototyping. So what are easings in prototyping? As you know, in the last video we went through different kind of interaction details that are in prototyping in Figma. For example, on tap, on drag, while hosting, we went through each of these. And if you don't know what are these different interaction details and how they work, just look at my previous video in which I have told you everything. It's just in the playlist. I will also attach an iCard to it on the right side. Just look at it and go to that before you carry on forward with this video. In case you already know that, and if you already watched my video regarding that, then it's time to go to what are easings in prototyping. So you see, if you want to change your easing or see what kind of easing is selected currently, you go, you just click on this and arrow, and then you go to the bottom left and you see here in this select options all of these things are easings. So what are actually easings? So you see, as when the thing is animating, when you are getting to a new screen or whatever animation you have, so easing is like how does it proceed, how does it end, and how does it move in between. That's your reason right there, which means I will tell you like one spot. It is how your animation proceeds in the starting, how it moves in between or keeps on moving in between, and how it ends. For example, does it start abruptly? Does it start smoothly? Does it start slowly and then increase its speed in the middle, and then quickly abrupt, or slowly ends? So that's your easy. So, for example, you see, currently we have chosen a linear leasing, which means the speed of the animation is same through the starting point, through the middle, and through the end. Just look at it carefully. You see, the starting animation, the middle animation, and the end is all of three are the same thing. So that's linear easing for you. In the next easing we have is easing. So what is basically easing? So in easing, it starts slowly, then it develops its speed in the middle portion of its animation, and it keeps steady until reaches its end, which means I will refresh it by pressing R on my keyboard. Now you see it starts slowly and then it increases in its speed in the middle portion of its animation and its end. Just look at it carefully. You see, It starts slowly and then increases in speed. Now the next easing we have for you is ease out. It's exactly opposite of the ease in. So in the last portion of its animation, it eases out, which means it smooths out. It slows down a bit, but in the start it will remain fast. For example, if you just tap on it, you see, it started fast, but when it was coming towards its end, it smoothed down. It slowed down a bit. So that's ease out for you. Now, the next easing we have for you is ease in and out. And I hope you will be getting it by now. Ease in and out is like during the proceeding of the animation, it will start smoothly, then increase in speed in the middle, and it's also ease out as well because it's ease in and ease out. So it will smooth in the end also. It will smoothly rise and then keep a steady motion in the middle, and then end smoothly at the last moments of its animation. So that's ease in and out for you. I will just repeat the animation 2 or 3 times so you can easily see. Just wait a minute. What I will do is I will increase the animation duration, which we will be going in our next video, so that you can easily understand. You see, it smoothly starts and then increases in speed, and it smoothly ends. So that's ease in and out easing for you. The next easing we have for you is ease in back. So what is ease in back? So so through easing, you may be getting that it will start smoothly. Okay, that's okay. But then what is back? So first I will be showing you animation. Then I will I will be telling you what is back doing in it. So you see, in ease in, it eases in. Okay, it starts smoothly, that's for sure. But in back, it just goes a little bit forward and then goes backwards. For example, see, it eased in, but it just went just outside it and then came back. So that's ease in and back for you. In the similar manner, it is ease out back and ease in and out back. And the cubic bezier is actually your custom animation if you want to make. So there are the handles which you can use, and this is a very popular website also, cubicbezier.com, which you can use to make your custom animations. So if you don't know like what's happening when you are changing this handle position and size, you can look at this. You just hover over it and it will show you like whatever handle change that you have made in your custom cubic bezier animation, how will your animation look like in the prototyping, like whatever thing you are prototyping. So if I change the handle, you see the animation change. So that's cubic bezier for you. You would have to learn it, how this handle works, and what are these x-axis and y-axis, what happens, the timing and easing and all those things yourself. It's not, it's outside the scope of this video. But like there are many nice blogs you can find. Just look at custom Bezier animation and you will find a lot of things. So the next reason you have is okay. You see these gentle, quick, bouncy, and slow. I didn't see that earlier in my previous versions of the Figma. So you would have to upgrade your Figma if you can't see these options. This is the these are the things that the latest versions of Figma has included in itself. So gentle animation is pretty gentle. So yeah, because even I am looking at this like the first time. So yeah, yes, it's pretty gentle animation, and you see, it goes a little bit outside and then comes back, just like easing back that we saw earlier. So that's gentle for you, and in a similar manner, there is quick. So yeah, you are right. That would be a pretty quick animation. So you see, it was pretty quick. But it also went outside its frame and then came back. You see, it dragged itself out of its frame and then just came back. But it went really quick because it chose the quick easing. Now bouncy is, it will bounce. So that's bouncy easing for you. And the next we have is slow. So yeah, it's a slow. It will be really slow. So yeah, you see, it was slow. So that's slow for you. Now custom spring, it will be like the same. It will be a spring animation, but you can do maybe a little bit change in there. You see, uh, I don't know about it though. I would have to see it myself. Okay, so what does it do? Maybe it changes the timing here. Let me see how is it working now. What kind of a nonsensical spring animation is that? I don't know, my man. Okay, so what is this? Let me see. What kind of a spring animation is this? It doesn't even have a spring. Okay, we have some other options here also. Stiffness is 1009. Okay. Oh, okay. I think the less stiffness we have, the more it will spring. That's how it works, isn't it? I think so. Let's see. Yeah, I'll keep it at maybe 300. Fair enough. Hmm, it didn't work. Now, what's damping? Oh, it started working, it seems. Yeah. So you would have to go and change damping, maybe. Yeah, and then it will become a spring animation. Okay, so that's pretty good. Let me increase the damping here to 73 and let's see what happens. Yeah, the spring